Box number 3. Box number 3. What that was. Yeah. Empty box. My chat's broken again. Refreshing. Chat back. Somebody say something.
Looking at you through the glass. Don't know how much time is gone.
Alright, chat's back for me. Whatever. Nah, dude, this chat kills me. This chat kills me. I saw a blue wave. Here's a blue wave pack. Here's a blue wave pack. My favorites are the black wave packs. Like, cards have a mind of their own right now. Alright, starter box 3. Murphy, Harvey, George Springer, Refractor, the Astros. Lorenzen, Lindor, Seager, Anderson, Crone, Bradley Jr., Wong. Duel of Mark Appel and Jonathan Gray, Astros, Rockies. Base. Hadley, Harper, Clarkin, Wilson, Green, Renfroe, and your next auto. I think we just pulled this guy, but we just pulled his refractor. For the Boston Red Sox, John Denny, refractor. John Denny, refractor auto. Red Sox are lighting it up. Oh, it's like a Red Sox case. B.L. Jones. B.L. Jones. You got another John Denny auto. This time it's the refractor. John Denny refractor. Congrats. Harris, Rodriguez, Nicely, Ramirez, Wong, Skaggs, Nolan, Westmoreland, Sanchez, Austin, Kellogg, Crawford, Ward, Abet, Hellwig, Cosart, and Austin Meadows chrome base. Keys, Sanchez, Alomar, Miles Williams for the Marlins, refractor. Cole, Wilson, Christensen, Scantwigs, Anderson, Joseph Monge, refractor for the Red Sox. It was a John Denny refractor auto, Johnny. Williams, Coleman, Blanton, Williams, Carrera, base, Church, Demirit, Bradley, Vogelbach, Springer, Unroe, Molina, Singleton, Gregoris, and Rio, base, and a blue, nice blue, of Kyle Gibson for the Twins. Number 3 out of 99. Kyle Gibson, blue. Desir, Keller, Gossman, Williams, Costanzo, Polanco, Gregory Polanco, refractor for the Pirates. Gregory Polanco for the Pirates, refractor. Monge, Polanco, base, Southard, base. We have a blue wave pack in here, like I thought. Spazile, Gonzalez, Unroe, Aaron Judge, and Ian Clark in dual base. Colm, Zuno, Singleton, Tucker, and your Blue Waves. Yeah, Anthony Rendon for the Nats. Trevor Williams for the Marlins. Profar for the Rangers. Noah Syndergaard for the Mets. And Austin Kubica, can't remember first box, for the Tigers. Nick Castellanos. Yeah, cool, Steve. The first one was, who was the first hit? Yeah, it was a base, and oh yeah, it was Renfroe, yep. I'm with you, Johnny. Who all you have? White Sox, Cubs, Mets. I'm sure you got a couple refractors. I've called the Mets refractors a couple times. And granted, I know they don't sell crazy amount, but a couple bucks at least. One box is starting to overfill. Alright, second half of box 3. Meisner, Wendell, Clarkin, base. Colm, refractor for the Rays. Perez, Castano, Demerit, Easton, Fernandez, Stifler, Gibson, Baumgartner, Maffei, Church, Paulino, Profar, base. Rendon, base. Ian Stifler for the Braves. Blue paper. Out of 500, number 324 out of 500. Ian Stifler for the Braves. Congrats, Jay Woods. Sears, Irvin, Gonzalez, Javier Baez, base. Nice, though. Max Fried, and Reno. Max Zenino, refractor, Mariners. Hagenmiller, Barnes, Avila, Efforts, Austin, Syndergaard, breakouts, not number of Taylor Dudas, Yankees. Zunino, Gossman, Almonte, Anderson, Townsley, Anderson, Meadows, base, and the white ice of Scooter Gennett for the Brewers, right? Brewers. Sounds right. White, Oliver, Stanky Wanky, base. Kanzler, Peterson, Carnes, orange of Jacob Nottingham for the Astros. Out of 250, 245 of 250. Congrats. Astros. Jet. Buxton, base. Corey Dickerson, Rendon, Neela, Austin, base. Aaron Blanton, refractor for the Marlins. Ott, Afnir, Myers, Michael Waka, base. Blair, Murphy, Grossier, Gordon. Profar, base. McGuire, Nebel. Another Steven Strasburg's first Bowman reprint. The Nats. Salazar, Gray, Myers, Areno, Wade, Sandberg, J.P. Crawford, base. Refractor of Kendall Coleman for the Yankees. Odom, Gilmore, Freed, Arita, Gorko, Webster, future of the franchise, Courtney Hawkins, the White Sox. Future of the franchise, not numbered for the White Sox. Hawkins, Russell, and Syndergaard. Let me put those up. Deeds, I am. E.L. Jones has questions. Most likely about his John Denny collection that he's getting from me. You think we can hit the rainbow for you, BL? You think we got enough cards to do that? I was just joking, Peasy. I'm just joking. Alright, box number 4. Record.